Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Greg, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the best way to generate six figures with a home-based business in 2023. The vehicle that we're going to use to help you get there is called the Home Business Academy. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what the Home Business Academy is, tell you exactly how it works, tell you the three reasons why this business is different from any other business that you've encountered online. And at the very end, I'm going to show you the exact method you can use to clone this business and be successful in just 20 minutes a day. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so what is the Home Business Academy all about? Well, it's really just a community of heart-centered, principle-centered, and highly skilled entrepreneurs like yourself that have visions to have massive positive impact on the world. And the one true goal is to really focus on creating long-term wealth that's going to lead to that abundance of time, that abundance of money, and that abundance of lifestyle freedom that I know you and I always dream about. In addition to what this all-in-one business is going to give you that is already proven out, is going to give you truly lifelong skills to create unlimited wealth forever. And I'm going to talk through some of these things because it's really important to understand why this business is worth you taking a long look at. So now that you know a little bit about what the Home Business Academy is, let me talk to you about how it really works. There's actually three simple steps, but one of the keys is this company works with you. And my commitment is to work with you, is to help you do this step by step so you know exactly what to do. And number one, you're not going to have to spend a lot of time with this every single day. But number two, you're going to see success and see it quickly. So many aspiring online entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, digital marketers struggle because they pour tons of money into things that never generate profits. With this, you can see profit with as little as 2 sales. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. But we're going to run through these steps one by one real fast because I feel it's important for you to know exactly what this looks like to know if it's going to be a fit for you or not. Step one is using a proven multi-million-dollar sales machine that will help you get profits immediately. You could see this in as little as your first 24 hours. I've seen people that have made their sales in their first 24 hours, and it's exciting. When you start making those sales online, it is really, really exciting. Now, something to keep in mind is you're not going to have to do this with your own products. You're not going to need your own websites. You're not going to have to deal with customer service. You're not going to have to even worry about product delivery. And it's not messing with that complicated techie stuff either. This is going to help lead you to it's going to help you get leads and sales right away. And I'm going to show you how simple this is because one of the best things about this business is they're paying 80% commissions. Now, to put this in perspective, a lot of the affiliate programs that are out there in the market, some of the best ones are at 50%, but a lot of the ones that maybe you hear about from, say, Amazon or Target or Walmart, they may only pay somewhere between 4 to 8%. This is paying 80%, and you can get started for $25. So that means your first sale, you're going to be making $20 every single time somebody purchases. And in addition to that, this is building a monthly residual income so that $20 you don't just see once. The work that you do once actually will continue to pay you every single month. All right, so now let's take a look at step two and what the power of these 80% commissions plus what they call freedom money, all those things that are driving you towards the abundance that you're looking for, to create $100,000 a year annual residual income. So Let's just look at one aspect of this. And what they're talking about right here is per customer. Let's just look at $120 per customer per month. Now, before we do that, I want to be fully transparent. There are only 3 products that the Home Business Academy promote. You can get started with the $25, and that's honestly all you need to get started in this business. Now, the second product they have is what's called HBA Premium. This actually gives you advanced training into driving more traffic that helps you grow your business. So that's why a lot of people actually end up buying this product every single month. The third product, so $25 and then the HBA Premium, which is another $125. Those 2 products combined are $150 a month. Now, you're going to make 80% commission off every single one of those. And that's where the $120 comes in every single month. So that's recurring residual income. Then they have the third one, which is just a one-time, called the Financial Literacy Academy. Now, this is a $500 one-time, but it gives you access to things that are going to help you grow your business, maybe even generate additional revenue income stream, help you with your taxes, help you understand what it means to be an online business owner and an entrepreneur, and just help you navigate those waters if you've never done it before. But no matter where you start, one of the things that sticks out to me that makes all the difference in the world with this company is that if somebody that comes into your business buys a product that you don't own yet, say you just start at the $25 business, but somebody comes in below you and decides to buy everything, you're going to be given an opportunity to claim those commissions before they get passed up to someone else or back to the business. I've never seen that before. You're going to have maybe as much as a week. I actually had this happen to me where I had about a week and a half that I was able to go in and upgrade, go ahead and claim 80% commissions on one of those products that I didn't own, but somebody else had already purchased. And as a result, now I have those and I was able to get those commissions. In one case, it was $400 worth of commissions. And I only had to do that once. So this is really, really powerful, because if somebody starts to buy these products on a regular recurring basis, you're making $120 per customer. So think about this. With $120 per month, one sale can turn into almost $75,000 per year. With 2 sales per week, this can turn into $150,000. So we've already exceeded what our goal is. And 3 sales per week can turn into $225,000 per year. This is extremely powerful and plays into this freedom money because it gives you the ability to do more, to have abundance, and not stress. I'm a dad of 3, and life can get stressful at times, but having this extra income that I can drive in my spare time is really motivating, because I know that it's possible to have those 6 figures year after year, and it's going to continue to grow. All right, and then there's step number 3, which is really learning these skills for a lifetime and getting access to things like automation tools, getting access to the community, getting to have personal mentoring from 6 and 7 figure earners at no additional cost. And you're going to get simple step-by-step strategies that you can use to create this revenue, this unlimited income streams that you want for life. So you can check out all of this in the link below. I'm not going to go through every single one of them right here, but I do want to highlight, I mentioned there's 3 things that make this company different, and I've already talked about one of them. That's having the ability to claim commissions if you don't even own the product yet. That's something I haven't seen before. Number 2, the training within this company is first class. And I don't say that lightly. I've been a part of many different opportunities over the course of the last several years, and their training is straight to the point. It's going to walk you through step by step. It's going to help you get the tools that you need right away. And I'm going to give you additional tools to even accelerate that success for free. And the third point that I want to highlight that sets this company apart from any other that I've been a part of and that I've seen online is we talked about them being a community of entrepreneurs wanting to make a massive impact in the world. This is a way that they do this. This is a tangible way that a portion of every sale or purchase you make feeds starving children all over the world. This hasn't even been updated, but they've shared over 190,000 meals to starving children. In fact, there's a short little clip right here from one of the directors from Feed My Starving Children that talks about the relationship and the gratitude they have for the way that the Home Business Academy works to provide for these kids. So if that's something that resonates with you, I invite you to come and check this out so that you can be a part of something bigger and make an even greater impact in the world. I've personally witnessed this business generate 5-figure incomes and actually multiple 5-figure incomes per month in as little as 6 months. So it is definitely possible. But what so many people struggle with is they don't know what to do. They get so excited about an opportunity, but then they lose steam. They don't know how to do it every day, or they don't feel that it's sustainable. So if you've made it to this point in the video, I congratulate you, because now I'm going to share with you how you can clone this exact business and be successful in as little as 15 to 20 minutes per day. I'm going to show you the exact way to set up your HPA account with an autoresponder so that you can grow your own audience and be able to leverage that audience for future offers and multiple income streams down the road. I'm going to set you up with some inexpensive traffic to help get more eyes onto your offer every single day. This is going to help to accelerate your success because more people are going to be seeing what you're able to help them with. I'll also show you additional ways that you can drive free and paid traffic as you decide to scale and grow your business. And as an added bonus, I'm going to give you access to a complete suite of royalty-free videos that are going to be faceless and you can use to upload to your YouTube channel to help drive more traffic and grow a channel that you can ultimately monetize and have as an additional income stream. If you have found value in this video, please click the like button. I really, really appreciate it. And I want to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the future content that I'm going to be sharing with you. So make sure that you hit that smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.